Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Okay, so now let us do not waste any further time and go straight to the chart of gold versus US dollar from where we left off previously on the 7th of June. So when we were discussing, we mentioned that this area was our area of short-term support. This was our major support, and you guys can clearly see that our major area of support was broken and market gave us three opportunities to sell. First opportunity was after the closing of this candle, second opportunity was after the closing of next candle, and thirdly after this red candle was when the market retested with a green candle, and then again market gave us a red candle closing. We could easily take these trades. So now let me take these trades for you guys and let us see that how much profit we guys would have made. So if we would have taken this sell entry as per our scenario number 5, which is key for entry scenario number 5, sell if the support is broken, we would have made a 1.5% profit. And then if we would have taken the next trade and we would have taken this upon a retest, and this will be a very good entry as well, and we would have made a profit of approximately 1.1%. And then thirdly, this was the best entry. I think this was also after a retest when green candle tested our area of short-term support again and closed with the red candle. Then again market gave us an opportunity to sell. This will be our stop loss just above the previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.7% profit, which is amazing. Okay, so all three trades gave us some very good profits and very simple trades were executed, so there is no problem in that. So now let us move forward our scenarios for tomorrow, which is the 10th of June. Now let us mark the new areas of support and resistance. They will be approximately now the new area of support will now be this zone. Okay, as market has broken this area of support and resistance convincingly, so now market will move downwards and market will change its area of support. And this as market has actually formed this area of support, but since market's most recent area of support is this one, and market is also trending in between this area, so we are going to mark this area as our area of short-term support. And as you guys can see that the structure is broken, this low has been broken. So now we are going to mark maybe this can also be a fake out as well, but for the confirmation we have to wait if market comes back and closes above our area, above this area. Okay, so this in fact area will act as an area of short-term resistance. Okay, and this area will now also act as an area of short-term resistance. Okay, so now I will write down the new areas of resistance and support so you guys can easily trade this gold tomorrow as well. Okay, so the new area of resistance is approximately 2351, and the major area of resistance is 2360. The area of support is 2308, 2308, and the major area of support is 2297. Okay, so now let us move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades in this gold pair, which is gold versus USD. So, and if you guys have any confusion, just let us know in the comment section, and I will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys as soon as possible. And if still you guys do not understand anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, exactly. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios of gold. And now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair. And here you guys can see that market has reacted beautifully to our marked area of support, and market is giving us a good move right now. And let us see that from where we left off previously, did we get any move? No, we did not get any move, and this is the current move which is being executed right now. And if you guys would have taken an entry in this GBP USD pair, you guys will be sitting in a profit of approximately 0.2% right now, even though it's small, but still you guys can get a move. But you guys need to be vigilant and careful, because you guys can see that market has, as market was really in a sideways momentum, but market has taken this huge move of selling, and there might be possible that market might take a downturn. After checking this area, market might go down from there. Okay, so just be vigilant and always manage your risk accordingly. Okay, so now let me move forward these scenarios for the 10th of June, which is today, 10th of June, and you guys only have to take these trades accordingly, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, you guys can always let me know in the comment section. We are always here and always ready to help as much as possible. And in okay, so that's all. So now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the euro versus USD. So in the euro versus USD, you guys can see that market began falling and market did not recover from here. And you guys can see that market gave us an opportunity to sell from here, and we guys would have capitalized. If we would have taken this selling entry like this, our take profit will be approximately 1.2%, which would have been hit at least. Okay, so as this sideways market has been broken downwards, now our sentiment will be downwards unless it is a fake out. Okay, so and that fake out will be confirmed by tomorrow. Then for that, market has to return over here and maintain this area of support. But for now, we will have to mark the new areas of support and resistance, so you guys can easily take trades in this pair. Okay, so the next best area of support will now be approximately, as market is trading right now over here, but the latest area of support is approximately here. So I think we are going to follow this area for support right now, a little bit down, maybe approximately like this. Okay, and let us move this support downwards, as well as this will be the short term area of support where market might give us a good reaction, and the area of resistance will now be shifted downwards as well, and this might be a good area of resistance. Yes. Okay, so now let us write down the new areas of resistance, okay, for the 10th of June, which is today. Okay, so 10th of June, the area of resistance is 1.0840, 1.0840, and the major area of resistance is 1.0858, and the area of support is 1.0767, 1.0767, and the major area of support is 1.0744. Okay, so now let us move these scenarios forward for the 10th of June, which is today, so you guys can easily take trades in this euro versus US dollar. So there is no confusion left for you guys, and you guys can easily take trades in this pair, and I am always here to help you guys as much as possible. And if you guys have any confusion, just let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back to each and every one of you guys as much as possible. Okay, Okay, so that's all. I've moved the scenarios for you guys, and that's all for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.